Imagine meeting the version of yourself from 3 years ago. He asks, did we win? Did we build the physique? Did we achieve that dream? What would you tell him? If you don't like the answer, you are lucky that this video found you. Because winners aren't people with more motivation. They're people with better systems. The people who win at life usually follow a framework, a few habits that make success almost automatic. A few of them are: 1. Never end the day on zero. Do one push-up, read one page, write one sentence. The goal isn't progress. The goal is never teaching yourself that quitting is okay. 2. Make the right thing easier. Put the book on your pillow. Open tomorrow's work before sleeping. Most people don't lack discipline. They have too much friction. 1 second of convenience can add an hour of productivity. 3. Track wins, not hours. Stop saying, I studied for 4 hours. Start saying, I finished 2 chapters. Hours feel productive. Completed tasks are productive. 4. Have one non-negotiable. One habit you do no matter what, even on your worst days, because self-confidence comes from keeping promises to yourself. 5. Ask this every night. What made today easy to waste? Your phone, your friends, your environment? Most people fix symptoms. Winners fix causes. 3 years from now, you'll meet another version of yourself. The question is simple. Will he thank you for what you started today or blame you for what you delayed? Get to work immediately.